Welcome students. Welcome for the second session of our computer class software and its types. So first before this let us revise the previous session's contents. So we had studied the chapter software and its types. So in that we have studied the definition of a computer, what is a program, software and its types and their examples. So what are the definition of a computer? We will do the quick revision. Computer is an electronic device which will take the input, process and gives us the required results. Next, we had seen what is a program. What is a program? Program is a set of instructions. Program is a set of instructions. So instructions are fed through the input device, that is the keyboard. Processing is done and we get the required results, that is a program. And we also had learned that collection of programs is a software. And under software we had seen there are mainly two types of softwares, system and application software. So what are the two examples we had discussed under system software? They were operating system and utility programs. I will repeat. Under system software we had discussed about operating system and utility softwares. What are the examples we had seen under the operating system? They were Windows 7, Windows 10, DOS, that is disk operating system, which was the character user interface. I would like to tell you children, Windows, when we started Windows, that is known as what? Graphical user interface. We get the desktop with lot of graphics or icons, very user friendly software. It is Windows operating system. And next, under utility programs or utility software, we had seen few examples of utility softwares like antivirus software, backup softwares and compression softwares. So after this, let us begin with the next type of system software. Okay, it is not system software, it is application software. We will start with what is application software. Application software is a set of programs which are used to perform a specified type of jobs. What do you mean by that? Let me tell you. Application softwares means they are made for a specific purpose. They are not system softwares like your operating system and utility systems. These are mentioned as application softwares, means each and every application software is done for a specific purpose. Mainly I can give you an example of your application software which already we have learned in the previous class, that is word processing software. Word processing software, under that you have learned MS Word, which is nothing but a word processor, a very good example of application software. So what is Word actually? Word is nothing but a software, that is application software, which is meant for computer typing. The end result is we will get a very beautiful document which consists of good formatting, size, color and additional facilities we have for grammar check, spell check, and we can save the files. We can take copies of as many files you want. So these are the few features which you have done with the application software, that is word processor Word. Similarly, next application software you have been not taught so far and you are going to learn in the same year, that is the next semester. I can mention MS Excel. So these are the general purpose application softwares which are meant for the specific purpose. So they are, let us just see the examples. Word processing software, as I mentioned you, it is MS Word, electronic spreadsheet, MS Excel, database management system, which is called as DBMS, desktop publishing packages, graphics, multimedia and presentation software. What are they? Application softwares are word processing software, electronic spreadsheet, database management system, desktop publishing packages, the packages which are meant for graphic, multimedia and presentation work. Next, let us see what is a word processing software. As I mentioned briefly, a word processor helps you to make a document which has got a very professional look, where we can save the data very efficiently, quickly and beautifully. It has many features for changing the text in a desired manner. As I mentioned you can, as and when required, you can delete the data and rearrange, and so many other features we are going to study in detail when we actually start the practical classes. So under this we have got good examples of MS Word, WordPad, etc. And also you can just think of your notepad which you have learned in smaller classes. Even that can be a good example of your word processing software. Next application software is an electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program helps to perform calculation, analyze data, and display the information in a desired manner. So, electronic spreadsheet, I can give you an example for MS Excel, which you are going to learn in detail how to do the mathematical calculation. Mainly this electronic spreadsheet MS Excel is meant for mathematical calculation, where we are going to learn lot of mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, and when you go to higher classes or in your profession, you also have got facilities for doing statistical calculations. So what are the two application softwares? Already I had told you, their word processor software, MS Word and Word. Next, I mentioned you about spreadsheet package or spreadsheet application, MS Excel, meant for mainly mathematical calculation. The next, we are going to learn something about a database management system. So, this software contains a large amount of data. So, database management system or DBMS is an application or a database system where you can organize your data. What is it? Organize your data. What do you mean by data? For example, in simple terms, you must be aware of your telephonic diary. What do we have there? Telephone directory contains the data or organized data that is in alphabetical order, system wise in an organized manner, with the names and their telephones and their address. So all the data pertaining to a particular place in the telephone directory are organized so that it will be easy for us to search for anybody's contact. So under computer, you are going to study the database management system softwares as MS Access, Fox Pro, Oracle. Not only these three which are shown here, there are many advanced database management systems which you are going to learn in the higher classes. Next is presentation software. So presentation software is a very common application software where you are going to present your ideas or concept to the audience. It can be used for your educational purposes or business purposes, or each and every office nowadays use presentation software. So what is an example of presentation software? You would have seen, and you must be working at home with your friends or parents. That is PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint. So why do we use this PowerPoint for your presentation software? Because it has got some very good features like animation and sound effects. What do you mean by animation? You can make your text and objects move in a particular manner, so it will be attractive, and your data can be presented in the form of charts and the objects and the data with this movement. And also in this application software, you can make use of the sound effects, you can record your narration, you can make your videos, you can insert your videos, and so many advanced facilities are available nowadays, not mention one. Okay, you have got one more presentation software, that is Flash also. You can try out this PowerPoint at home if you have got a application software. Next, let us see what is graphics, multimedia and presentation software. Graphic software, as the name suggests, is used to make logos, photographs, charts, mainly concerned with non-data. That means you will not have a much of a text matter. You will have a lot of pictures, images. That is what we call it as logos, photographs and charts. So in previous class already you have learned Paint, where you used to draw pictures, Photoshop, where you can edit the photos, AutoCAD, where the engineers draw their sophisticated mechanical, electrical and civil and architectural drawings with the help of AutoCAD software, and so on. Next, but not the least, is multimedia software. Multimedia software, you get a combination of animation, sound and graphics along with videos, where you can interact with a high degree of interaction, precision. That is Windows Media Player. What is it? Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. I learned what are graphics software and multimedia software. Now let us do a quick revision of the contents which we have learned in this chapter. We have learned what is a program. Program is a set of instructions. We have learned what is a software. Software is nothing but a collection of programs and its types. Under that softwares we have learned system software and application software. System software, under that we have learned two examples, operating system and utility software. Next type of system software is disk operating system, which comes under operating system. Okay, and apart from system software, in today's session we also have learned about application software and their examples. So the main examples which you have to keep it in mind under application softwares are coming under the group MS Office group or MS Office suite we call, that is SUITE. The mainly two applications or three applications which you have to keep in mind are word processor, that is MS Word, electronic spreadsheet, that is MS Excel, and presentation software, which is nothing but your MS PowerPoint. Hope you all understood, children. So by now we have completed 2 sessions of the first chapter. So along with this you also will be getting the notes which you can just copy down and you can just go through it. If you have got any doubts, you can just come out with the queries in WhatsApp. We will be just having your problem solving or doubt solving session. Thank you and have a good day.